Hi guys, it's Erin from Siren Heart Soap, and today I'm going to be doing another soap in my Tall and Skinny mold from Nurture Soap. One of the reasons that I got the Tall and Skinny mold was I wanted to try and teach myself how to do a butterfly swirl, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm not sure quite yet what I'm going to call this soap, so if you have any suggestions for me, make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. For fragrance, I'm going to use Harlequin Romance from Nurture Soap. I really like this one so far. It's definitely more perfumey and less fruity. It still has a bit of a citrus undertone, I feel like, but it's really, really lovely. So I'm gonna be really excited to see how it holds up in the soap. And then let's go ahead and get started by adding my lye water to my oils. I'm soaping a little bit warmer today. I'm closer to 100 degrees. I usually do it more room temperature, but I'm on a bit of a time crunch today, so I'm gonna just go with it. I'm going to try to get closer to an emulsification instead of a light trace today. Yeah, I feel like right there should be about good. Okay. So then as far as colors go, I'm going to do the largest part of the soap is going to be Ballet Slippers from Mad Micas. Then I'm going to have some titanium dioxide white swirled in, as well as, the label's rubbed off, but this is Voodoo Red from Mad Micas, and then Grape Nehi from Mad Micas as well. So I'm going to put those into these containers. Yeah, I wanted to give the long spout ones a try for the butterfly swirl to see if that gives me some good control. I've got two smaller ones and then a set of larger ones. Okay, the largest is definitely going to be the white in there. And this is the Ballet Slipper. This one's Voodoo Red. And this one's the Grape Nehi. And then I will put some of the fragrance in as well. Okay. I think I'm going to want a little bit more of the pink. And actually I might add in some titanium dioxide into there as well, just to lighten it up a little. There we go. Then let's white. I think I need a little bit more of the Voodoo Red in there. There we go. And then the purple. Oops. Made a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. There we go. My colors look good. Yeah, I'm trying to keep them as fluid as I can. Yeah, I really like how those colors look all together. So now I'm gonna grab the mold so we can get started. Alright, I'm gonna start by putting in the majority of this, and then for the remaining 3 colors, I'm just gonna try and get them as close to this side along down the same line as I can. Just alternating colors. Yeah, I really like these ones with the long spouts if you need to be more precise with where they're gonna land. Yeah, this is my first time trying to do the butterfly swirl, so I have no idea if it's gonna turn out or not, but we'll see. And then as I get higher, I'm gonna try to bring it out just a little bit to see if I can get a little bit more of a top wing to come out. But we'll see. We'll see how it turns out. Yeah, I always love how butterfly swirls tend to look in the finished product. Some of my favorites are like, if you haven't seen Handmade in Florida's YouTube channel, you have got to see how absolutely gorgeous hers turn out. Like, her soaps are always just breathtaking, just goals for days. Okay. Then I'm gonna try and scrape the last bits of this color out in here. Ooh. I just love how these colors are just kind of looking together. I really hope this one turns out nicely. Okay. And now I'm just going to try to gently top it with the rest of this ballet pink. I think I'll just going to try and cover as much as I can of that color. There we go, and I still got a little bit to work with. Now I've got my handy dandy hanger tool, so let's see if I can all right. Wish me luck. We'll see how that turns out tomorrow, and then I'm just gonna finish topping this with the remainder. I'm just gonna pound this a little bit more. Don't mind me. Okay, now as far as the top of this goes, I'm thinking I just want to keep it super simple. I'm hoping that the swirl design inside will do most of the talking for me. So what I did was I grabbed the Super Sparkle glitter from Mad Micas. It's a biodegradable mica glitter, and I did that and I combined it with oil. Now this, like in a lot of my videos, you like to see that I do the mica drizzles on top, so I'm going to try doing it with just this oil just to give it a little bit of the sparkle on top, just to see how that's going to look. I just want to keep it really simple but still with a little bit of something, you know. And I'll do that just a more simple swirly. There we go. Oh yeah, I love that. It just looks so sparkly. I'm definitely a fan of the sparkle factor, but I often just don't like to use regular glitter. Always biodegradable. Oh, that just looks so cute. All right, and then last thing is to spray it with my 99% rubbing alcohol. And there we go. This is all set to rest until tomorrow. I'll see you guys for the cut. Bye. Hi guys, it's Erin. We're back. And today I'm going to be cutting into this beautiful soap. And I do have one of my little trusty helpers here again. Marky, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Wave.
Hi.
Marky is 2 years old and he loves to be my helper. Alright, so as you guys know, I was trying my very first butterfly swirl with this one, so we'll see how it turned out. First I'm going to cut off the end piece. Oh, that looks so cool. What do you think, Mark?
Oh, the hair.
Does that look cool?
The baby soap.
Yeah, that's going to end up being one of my samples.
This big sample.
Yeah, that's going to be a sample soap.
Sample.
Yeah, let me just scooch this over a little bit, I think.
Cut it.
All right, time to cut the next one. Oh, did you want to help? Let me scoot you. Sorry about that. Let's scoot you over. Whoop.
Well, how to make cut?
Oh, wow. That looks really pretty, and I love how the sparkle looks on top.
What's on top?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. What do you think, Mark? Does it look good? Oh, thank you. Thank you, my helper. I'm gonna put it right here. I need that to be face up. Okay. Time for the next cut. Are you gonna help me, Mark? Good job, bub. There we go.
Why did I make that cut?
Oh wow, that looks really pretty. Now let's see if we put them together if it makes a butterfly.
I gotta fly.
Hold on, hold on.
Afterwards,
I would say for my first try, that is pretty darn close to the butterfly swirl.
I looked at it.
What do you think? What do you think, Mark?
A tornado gotta fly on it.
Is it beautiful?
There he comes.
All right, hold on, hold on. We gotta push it over first. And now it's time to cut. Cut. There we go. This is the next one.
No, give me
Beautiful. I love the swirl, even just on its own. It's really pretty. This one turned out really pretty, just how I was kind of envisioning it.
Now can you explain this
Yeah.
one?
Oh, and the smell is really nice.
It's gonna come in.
Definitely a very romantic fragrance, and I think all these colors coming together like this make a very beautiful romantic bar. So if you can think of a name for this soap that you think really sums it up, I would love to hear it.
Just gonna spray this.
Okay, Marky, can you help me move it over? Time, oh, no. Can you help me move this over, Mark? Oh, there we go, and time to cut. Whoosh. Good job, Marky. Wow. These are just turning out so pretty with just the extra little bit of shimmer on top. I just love it, love it, love it. What do you think, Marky? Do you like the colors? Do you want to cut? Cut. Good job. You are such a good little helper.
I found a square. I found a square.
Yeah, I think for my very first shot at the butterfly swirl, I got pretty darn close to what I wanted. Oh. And let's see if I can squeeze one more bar out of this. Maybe, maybe. Oh yeah. There we go. Another end piece. Oh, that one looks really pretty. Oh yeah, these look so nice. I'm very pleased with how these turned out.
I don't spray this one in here.
Yep. I would definitely say for my very first try at the butterfly swirl, that is pretty darn close to what I was wanting. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked this, just make sure that you like and subscribe to see more of my videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.